with resolving a lot of these issues. Mr. Chairman, I want to say that since then, with the support of our board and His Excellency the President, we made a lot of progress. Now Ghanaians said that the President is hurting their eyes with light. Because he has managed to keep the light on and with no jokes on. Mr. Chairman, I want to say that it's not only lights that we have kept on.